Hey everyone, I'm Jose and welcome to Parts Update. Live from Shenzhen, Huaqiangbei, the world's largest electronics market, this is your daily update on what's happening in hardware and at source parts. Over the past few years, we haven't just been building products. We've been building the foundation that makes source parts possible. This means developing our Shenzhen facilities where we design, test, and assemble hardware right here in the heart of the supply chain. I've spent years and years in front of the computer refining tools for bill of material analysis, continuous integration and deployment of Linux builds, web-based flashing tools, and Linux driver development. These are the tools that let us move faster and smarter in an increasingly complex hardware ecosystem. And this lab that you see behind me is the result of tireless effort, saving, building, improving bit by bit, like the Kaizen method of continuous improvement. Every solder joint, every test bench, and every piece of gear in here tells a story of persistence and progress. But today, I want to share something special. We're bringing Pocket P.C back to the future. After a lot of design exploration and testing, we're finalizing the next generation Pocket P.C, the one that will be shipped to your door. It's powered by the A733 processor with RAM options from 4 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory. And yes, original backers, you'll receive this version. This new design pushes performance and efficiency beyond what we achieved before, and it's still built to stay open, repairable, and maker-friendly. I want to take a moment to say the original Pocket PC crowdfunding campaign launched right as the pandemic and global chip shortage hit. This meant everything became harder. Sourcing parts, logistics, even communication. It required far more time, effort, and resources than we ever expected. And through all that, we stayed committed. I've always meant for Pocket PC to be more than just a device. It's a modular foundation, a framework for exploring new technologies, chipsets, and radios. The A64 processor that we used before was already outdated when we picked it, and during the chip shortage, we paid a premium for it. But it never felt right to ship what everyone had been waiting for with old hardware. The new A733 hits a sweet spot. It breaks through the ceiling on RAM limits and speeds and opens the door to a new generation of possibilities. Over the next few days and weeks, I'll be sharing more about the A733 platform, revealing the final Pocket PC, and showing how the new source parts tools tie it all together. We will also be opening pre-orders as we get closer to shipment. So if you missed the original campaign, this will be your chance to join the next phase of Pocket PC. We've received and documented all of your questions and will be answering them in the upcoming Parts Updates episodes. To everyone who supported us financially or through your words of encouragement, thank you. Your belief in what we're building has kept this journey alive. Real updates straight from the lab and the market. I'm Jose from Source Parts, and this was your Parts Update.